Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to hold drumsticks. So first of all I'm going to show you one of the match grips which is standard, and if you're a beginner I would suggest you try one of the match grips. Okay, first of all, this is a standard drumsticks. So divide it into three parts. Sort of the bottom part, the middle part, and the top part. Around this 1/3 area, hold the drumstick with your index finger, wrap it around like that, and then hold tightly with your thumb, just like that, okay? That's the first step. You shouldn't hold it too low or too high. It has to be somewhere around there, but you have to find a comfortable position for you, okay? Just around there. Now, when you hold it, it's really important that your stick has to go straight to your arm. It shouldn't be sticking on the side, sticking out on the side or this side. It really has to be straight to your arm, okay? Then you see the rest of the hand. These three fingers lightly touch the rest of the stick, just like that. You never grip it too hard, just lightly support the stick so that you got a bit of space. The important thing is that you use your thumb and index finger really tight. These are really tight, but the rest are really gentle, okay? These just support and gives sort of a better command of control, okay? The same as the other hand. In my case, this is my left hand. Both hands should look like that. Your sticks should be 90 degrees, okay, just like that. And this is called German grip. Okay, German grip is about 90 degrees with two sticks holding against each other. Really important that your hand should be facing flat against the drum, okay? Not this way, because it's gonna be a different grip style if you do that. And make sure that your stick is absolutely straight to your arm, okay? Just like. So this is the German grip, okay? Now, English American grip is slightly narrower, but the idea is almost the same, okay? Your hand should be facing up and is flat to the surface. Okay, now another type of match grip is called the French grip. This is when your thumbs are facing up. The advantage of this is that you can really relax and play really fast, but it's harder to control it and play different rhythms, so it does require a lot more practice, okay? You might have seen some people holding the left hand stick this way. This is called traditional grip. Okay, first of all, so your right hand remains the same as any of these, any of the match grips, okay? And your left hand, okay, this is my left hand. Your stick goes just on top of this hand, this part of the hand, so between the thumb and index, okay? Again, it has to be in the right part of the stick, so it's about 1/3 for me, and I would normally hold it around this area, okay, if you can see. Lightly wrap your stick with your fingers, but never hold it too tight, okay? Just lightly, so that the basic movement comes from between your thumb and index, okay? That's your basic movement. And the other fingers do support the stick, but it never overly control the motion, okay? So your wrist should be moving effectively. No matter what grip you choose to do, it's really important that you're always relaxed.